Let's get to our other top story right here in Metro Atlanta. The father accused of the Apalachee High School shooter will go to trial, but with jurors from outside of Barrow County.
Both the defense and prosecution agreed here that they couldn't have a fair and impartial trial for Colin Gray with Barrow County jurors because they're too close to this tragedy. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us live now from Winder tonight. And Grace, you were inside the courtroom today. So what options are here on the table for this trial now?
Well, they could hold the trial here in Barrow County with jurors from somewhere else, or they could move the entire trial to wherever those jurors might be. Neither option is perfect. That's why Judge Nicholas Prim wants to consider everything and have a ruling in the next 30 days.
There are 1,000 things that could go wrong that derail us from having what I'll call a clean trial. And there are 1,000 factors to consider.
Superior Court Judge Nicholas Prim walking through the options that could ensure Colin Gray gets a fair and impartial trial.
The closer we are to that epicenter, the more likely we are to have jurors who have been affected.
Gray faces 29 charges, including murder and cruelty to children, for the shooting at Apalachee High School, where authorities say his son, Colt Gray, killed 4 and wounded 9. It devastated Barrow County and much of the surrounding area.
You got to get far enough away from that bomb that you're not going to get hurt.
Gray's attorneys argued the only fair option is a trial nowhere near Barrow County. They suggested places near Valdosta and Savannah.
What we need to do is to find a place where we can get an impartial and fair jury. I don't think anywhere in this epicenter are we going to be able to find that.
But state prosecutors worry moving the full trial elsewhere would place an unreasonable burden on the victims, witnesses, and surrounding community.
What kind of impact would that have on the services that you provide to Barrow County?
It's an impact that I couldn't even fathom in my mind, really, because it would leave the citizens, in my opinion, in Barrow County in a not so safe manner.
They want the trial here in Barrow County with jurors brought in.
The way we can make this as more like a normal trial as possible, the best chance we have of doing this once.
And the judge said he's going to reach out to some other courthouses to see what options are available before making that final decision. He hopes the Colin Gray trial will get underway this September. Live in Barrow County, Grace King, 11 Alive News.